Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Delta State government has assured local and foreign investors of a peaceful and conducive environment for their businesses to thrive in the state. The Commissioner of Oil and Gas, Chief Vincent Oyibode, made this known in an interview with Inside the Niger Delta recently on the ongoing engagement with Shell Petroleum Development Company, SPDC, on the need to recommence full-scale operations in the state.
Shell Petroleum Development Company's relocation from Warri in 2013 heralded an economic downturn that left many businesses and livelihoods struggling for survival, especially within Warri, where its office was deserted. This generated a unanimous clamor among leaders and citizens for the return of the company to Delta State. There seems to be some ray of hope following the recent engagements between the Right Honorable Sheriff Oboriowo-led government and the multinational oil company for a potential return to the state.
For our engagement, I believe SPDC will come back to Delta State. The era has passed where ethnic nationalities were fighting against themselves. The Urobo people, the Ijaw people, the Shekiri people, we all live together. So Warri life will come back, and Sheikh Komi, they will enjoy peace.
Chief Oyibode, who highlighted the readiness of the government to maintain peace and order, as well as put in place policies and programs that will facilitate rapid development in the state, called on potential investors to explore the abundant investment opportunities in the state. Meanwhile, the Delta State government has also restated its commitment to continue to partner with Shell Petroleum Development Company for sustainable development in the state. Commissioner for Lands, Survey and Urban Development, Emamusi Obiode, reminded Shell of the long-standing mutually beneficial relationship between the two entities recently in a meeting with representatives of Shell at Government House Annex Warri, where they raised concerns over the siting of fabrication yard by Julius Berger Nigerian PLC on a piece of land at Osubi Airport believed to be the property of the International Oil Company. The commissioner clarified that though the land in question actually belongs to the state government, the temporary allocation of the land to Julius Berger was to allow them have a base to carry out the construction of 3 flyover bridges and road expansion project around the Warri axis of the state. He, however, sued for the amicable resolution of the matter with the state government in the interest of sustainable development in the state.
Then we don't want anything to disturb the construction of the flyover awarded to the Nigeria. Presently, they are there at the distance of the state government. If you have any issue to resolve, you resolve at the state government, while the Nigeria is going ahead with that construction. In any case, that lease is for a period of time. It's not an allocation. Just put your equipment here, do this bridge, and you move out.
The anticipated return of Shell Petroleum Development Company of Nigeria, SPDC, to Warri in Delta State would further boost the socio-economic fortunes of the people in the oil city and the state in general. Is in line with Governor Oboriowo's promise to give Warri a facelift.
Inside the Niger Delta.